Hello everyone! Welcome to Color Our World of Art! Let's shoot off with an egg rocket, even though the egg is made of foam. Let's gather the materials. First, line the inside edge of a toilet roll with glue. Then, put in the foam egg. Draw a circle close to the middle of the toilet roll. You can draw it freehand or use a circle maker like we have. Color it in with a black marker. Then use the marker to draw black dots around the circle. Then use a pink marker to draw pink dots along the top edge of the rocket below the egg. You can use the technique we're using to make dots round and even. Just press the tip of the marker against the surface and rotate the marker to make a slightly more even circle. Do the same with a blue marker, but on the opposite end of the rocket. Then get 3 clothespins and clip them onto the blue dotted edge of the toilet roll, spaced evenly apart. And there you have it! Shoot off to the stars! Thank you for watching Color Our World of Art. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.